Animal testing is currently a very popular method for discovering new medicine breakthroughs and other products. The use of animals in the medical field has been growing due to the number of discoveries many scientists have made. So when it comes to the topic of animal testing, most of us will readily agree that it should not continue to be legal. One may argue that since we share much of our DNA with animals, such as primates, that animals make for a perfect model for testing. Though this fact is true, there are many proven alternatives that have been proven to work just as effectively. Furthermore, animal testing is more expensive than alternative methods. According to Human Society International, an unscheduled DNA synthesis animal test would cost $32,000, while the alternative would cost $11,000. Also, one very important reason for making animal testing illegal is that testing on animals is cruel and inhumane. These animals are subjected to force feeding, food and water restraints, and the infliction of wounds and burns. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, in 2010 there were reported 97,123 animals that suffered pain during experiments without any anesthesia. Another crucial fact is that 95% of animals being tested on are not protected by the Animal Welfare Act. Rats, mice, fish, and birds are not covered by the Animal Welfare Act, when in reality, rats, mice, fish, and birds comprise about 95% of animals used in testing. Surprisingly, medical breakthroughs involving animals may have been made without the use of animals, because there's no evidence that animals being tested on were essential in making certain medical advances. So in conclusion, if you wouldn't do it to your best friend or your own pet, then why test on innocent animals?